OK， 大家好，欢迎再次回到荣格 Ccmt 直播间。我现在位于 W5号馆 United Machining Solutions 的展台我们今天也有幸在我们的直播间邀请到了来自这家公司的集团高管以及 BU 的一些高管们，稍后他们也会进行一些展台的亮点分享。那首先站在我身边的这位是来自 United Machining Solutions 的集团 CEO Steph Neal。Hello, Mr. Neal. Welcome to join our live stream. So my first time, it's my first question is the first time the United Machining Solutions presents yourself under the new group structure at a Chinese trade show. So could you share the highlights at your booth this year, Ccmt? Yeah.
First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to give you an overview about the booth we have at the CCMT. And I would say the beauty about the booth is now we have one place where you can see all the technologies we have, starting with grinding, EDM, milling. Yeah. You also can have a look at the customer care portal solution we provide to the customers, to the services we offer them. So this is a unique opportunity to see everything at one spot.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So the second question is following the acquisition and the integration of the GF Machining Solutions. How will the two divisions like United Grinding and United Machining collaborate and develop together in the future? And also, especially in Chinese market, where competition is intense. So what the strategies will United Machining Solutions take to respond to these challenges? You can share your opinions.
First, I would like to answer the question about the structure.
Yeah.
So the beauty of the acquisition was that we don't have any technical overlap. So we added to grinding more technologies in a high-end precision business field. So there is no restructuring needed. But we have the opportunity to work together in sales. We have also the opportunity to work together in purchasing, for example. And most important, we doubled our strength when it comes to digital solution. Mm-hmm. Because for the future, we are convinced that digital solutions will make a difference. And there we can bundle our power we have. The second question regarding China, yes, you are right, it's one of the most demanding market, but for our group, one of the most important market. And if you look at the setup we have in China, we have 4 factories in China, and we have more than 1,000 employees in China. And the strategy is quite simple. We produce in China for the Chinese market, meaning producing the machines the Chinese customers are needing, and we are close to the customers. So we have all the know-how you need also to run a machine, to service a machine. We have local here, and we produce it locally. Mm. And if there is addition needed, then we also can import machine.
Yes.
But one of the main focuses is to provide the solution in China for Chinese customers.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And the last question, could you share an overview of United Machining Solutions' overall performance in last year, as well as its plan and expectation for this year?
That's a good question. Usually we don't talk too much about numbers because we are private owned.
Yeah.
But I can give you a rough number about the turnover last year. It was $1.5 billion was the turnover. The expectation for this year is a little bit higher than last year. So order intake should be 10-15% more. Turnover should be 10% more for this year. This is the plan we have. Actually, we can look back at the first quarter, and the first quarter was really good in both divisions. So over exceeding the expectations we had.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. And 也感谢Neal 先生的精彩分享，以及他对2026年的一个期待，希望他们能达到他的期待。那我们对于Neal先生的采访就到此结束，我们下一个采访见。